Don't walk away from me, please! Please, come back! Come back! I was only thinking. Please don't be to me! Hello. Welcome back, my friend.
Stop.
Why?
Because
why? Oh well. What are you doing?
okay. It doesn't look red.
And then, yep. Know it. And okay.
Are you diving in the garbage?
It's diving in the garbage
Are you diving in the garbage again?
Is she seriously gonna dive in the garbage again? Is she? I haven't played it for forever. We're not mad. It's set on a scene on a serene mountainside. It needs ballroom. Yes, I am. The governor is the first for all humanity, nocturnal critters, and it's the best place to display all new nighttime dead items. Hidden underneath the waterfall and programs, epic wonders are filled with the most amazing accessories and epic dead items. Challenge a buddy and see who can knock their marbles out of the... Oh, okay. Oh! Flashlight color for dragon wings?
Yes.
I don't want to trade them away. Do you have an extra pair?
No, dragon wings are easy to get. I have a bunch of them.
My spike now. Yes!
You got it?
Yep, I got it. Oh well. I am barebacked.
Bareback.
I'm bareback.
Bareback.
And then you're probably gonna be like, no, you scared me, give it back, please, or something. I don't know.
Are they?
No. I'm putting it on. Back items. Pegasus for now, I guess. Alright. Where's the news thing? I'm blind right now. Where is it? Crap. Oh well. Huh? I'm puzzled. Oh, what wings are those? What in the world? Like these, like very fire. Very fire. Let me click you! There we go.
I think it's spotted somewhere. I'll go. Oh, it's probably the new aliens.
New fire fairy, okay. See how it is.
Wait, are you talking to yourself?
I'm sort of talking to myself, yes, I'm good at doing that. Let's do the feet out of the fairy, grab them with their legs.
Huh?
What?
I'm telling him
No, I'm sorry. Let's see. Epic sprint drone. Crash through. Oh. Okay. want the crashed UFO. My god. Epic processor carriage. What? Okay. Items for. Oh. Yep, flaming tipped wings. Flaming wings. Who's gonna say that? Don't do what Justin did to me. Don't do that. No. I just saw those in the shop, so no thank you. I want these wings though. They come in different colors. Yes. Ooh. I'm buying those. I want to look at the other ones too.
Look at different colors.
Look at different colors.
I love different colors. It's so pretty.
Oh, look at this one. Look at that one.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at these.
Look at this one. Oh, look at that one. Oh. Whoa. I'm on fire. Help me, I'm on fire. So majestic. It looks so cool, but I need new shoes for my wolf.
Need more shoes.
I need more shoes. Need shoes. Donate shoes to me. I need shoes. I need shoes or I don't. You will donate now. I know y'all won't. Maloners. Hippopotamus is a Greek word for river horse. Hippopotamus look nothing like horses, so why? Spiked mohawk. There's barely anything new. Oh, that helps. That really helps. Cool shoes.
You must.
Oh, wait a minute. They don't have the one I want. Dang it. Oh. Cotton candy hairdo. There we go. Oh well. Meh. And then, oh, reminder. And there we go. It's lagging. It's lagging. I want Ladybug Lane. Ladybug Lane. Where is the Ladybug Lane? Fine, do that way. Well, I didn't want to play anyway. I'll just do it on my own. Ladybug Lane, Ladybug Lane, gotta do that Ladybug Lane. And There we go. Oh. Choose your concrete. They got strong teeth. Okay. I need concentration. And I win easily. That's easy.